I first heard about Cleveland Containers while attending Middlesbrough College, doing a welding refresher course, and it was the adult education had come in and said that there were some opportunities at Cleveland Containers to have interviews and to see where it goes. So I'd done my welding test and passed that, and then I spoke to Jolie to see if I could do work experience while I was attending a level 3 advanced welding. I worked really hard, pushed myself, and I was given the opportunity for a full-time contract. The team were absolutely brilliant. I was partnered with Steve Jones, who was another welder and fabricator, and the amount of knowledge he passed on to me, just explaining stuff, was absolutely brilliant. I couldn't have asked for more. Richard, Morning, Rachel and Lee, absolutely brilliant, supporting me, like explaining what jobs needed to be done and the time frames, and it was really exciting. Really enjoyed the work experience. A typical day is riding in. I enjoy riding, so I ride here. I get here and then we have the morning meeting, basically what's on for each day. Then we get set and go about with what jobs are on. So every day is different, not one day is boring. So we'll get a container down and we'll be given a description, a drawing, and it'll explain what needs to be done per container, and like every single one's different. Safety doors, you can put in safety windows and welding them all up and fabricating stuff inside, benches. It's full on, but it's made me achieve stuff in such a short time frame, which I'm really proud of. From my point of view, it's all down to the whole team coming together, and if you ask for help, they're always there and they explain stuff and they never ever say no. They've always got time for everyone, and that's what I've learned a lot, is a lot of teamwork. It's teamwork that makes the whole depot run. You're welcome with open arms. Everyone treats you as family, which appealed to me especially when I had my interview. And then it's the vast knowledge. Some people might have knowledge in certain areas of Cleveland and they're passing it down, which is absolutely brilliant. It's took me a long time to come back into the welding. It feels like I'm learning every day, which I really enjoy. Once you've finished your job and you stand back, you look at it and you're going, yeah, I've done that. Especially like my first container, and you step back and you're like, wow, I've actually achieved something that I thought I would never be able to do.